You need to convert receipts, invoices, or any other kind of PDF into structured data. A good app to try is PDF Data Extractor. You could find it under Google Workspace, and I already have it installed here. So you just go to Google Sheets, Extensions, and you open the add-on, and there's a sidebar that appears next to Sheets. Here you just add your PDFs or whatever image or file that you have. Here we're just going to drag it in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract the data that we want. So let's say we want the vendor, we want the description of the product, let's say we want the date, and let's say we want the total. So we'll go ahead and add all those fields, and we'll go ahead and process the file. And you'll see here that all the headers are added to the sheet. And once the extraction is complete, all of the fields are populated over here. So let's try another example with an image this time. Let's say we have a receipt, and here we have a receipt in a format that's actually not super common. The nice thing about this add-on is that we could go ahead and just drop that image here, and we could keep all these actually, but let's just change things up a little bit. And so we'll keep the same things. We'll keep the vendor. Let's see. Let's keep the date. Let's get the date. And let's get all the line items. And so let's say the description, and let's say the amount. Now the amount, what we're going to want to do is we're going to say formatted to EU, since the numbers are a little bit different for all the international folks here. And we'll go ahead and click extract multiple rows per file. And once we process that image that we added, the receipt, we're going to see that all of the details here have been populated for each line item here. So that's a real quick and easy way to extract data from all of your invoices and receipts in a nice and tidy and simple way. Okay, bye.